So this is exactly how I was able to fix my AOC monitor here. As you can see that I was getting the no signal. So you can see now it's actually connected to my PlayStation 5. So what I had to do to be able to fix this, I had to make sure firstly that the HDMI cable here, I'm going to show you the HDMI cable, it's this one right here, that was connected correctly. So for me I had to connect it right here, as you can see. So this is where I had to connect the HDMI cable, and the other end it goes to my PlayStation right here. So you need to firstly make sure that the cables here are connected to the correct device that you want to be able to use, of course, on your AOC monitor. If it still isn't working and you keep getting the no signal, most likely it's going to be the fault of the cable itself. And I believe that when I got the AOC monitor, I actually got two HDMI cables. So check if you have another one and then just try with the new cable instead. That should fix the most problems. I've read that most problems is actually with the no signal on AOC, it's the HDMI cable that it's not actually working properly. So just try to change the cable and try once again. And then you should be able to also fix this problem as well, as I have done.